Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brendan here, aka Cliff Jumper, and I hope that you had a successful and safe National Cliff Driving Awareness Month. So we're past that. We're back to our Sequoia project, and I have a question for you. What is better than a $5 fix for something annoying on your car? A $0 fix. Let's get into it right now. I'll show you how to do it. So yes, indeed, our Sequoia, if you may recall, if you've been following the channel, or maybe you've come across the other video, there are some things that go wrong with the door latches on these 20-year-old Sequoias. And on our last video that we focused on this, I showed you a $5 fix for the door latch issue. I'm going to show you one that's free today. This is a different issue. On the other issue, all of this white plastic stuff was completely broken off and destroyed. There's a little bit of it hanging on here, but it is actually not long for this world. But the issue that we're having on this side is the metal on the door striker has actually worn away. If I can stick my fingernail down in it, it is like a little canyon in here. So the cheap fix, the free fix, is to unbolt both of these Torx bolts and just flip this sucker around the other way and bolt it back in place, and we'll call it done, because this side has been untouched for its entire existence and it does the exact same thing. The spacing is exactly the same, so you can reverse it and continue on without any more issues from this. So this is a Torx bolt. We're going to go ahead and unbolt them, flip it, done. Okay, so if you're attempting this, it takes a T40 socket. And it should not be tightened on with Kung Fu Voodoo Monkey Death Grip. It should just come off fairly easily. All right, flip it around. And that's it. Shiny new side. Done. Mischief managed. So if you have a door on your Gen 1 Sequoia that's 20 years old and it's not closing very well, it could be one of two issues. It could be the striker latch itself, which I just showed you, is worn out, and you can fix that for free just by flipping that around. Or it could be the other issue is the mechanism in the door itself has broken and worn out. Check out my other video on how to fix that for just under $5. It's like $3 and something cents with parts at Home Depot. Anyway, I hope that helped you out. God bless you. Have a great day. Keep them shiny side up, and let me know how I can be praying for you. God bless. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.